What's up, guys? Here with part 2 at the low and high decks to this nest. I'm pretty sure the eggs might have hatched, chances are. So house finches probably hatched. Oh, not yet. Oh, are those cracks? Yeah, those are cracks. We have to come out. They're probably gonna hatch in the next 1 or 2 days. Yep, those are some cracks right there. No doubt about it, those are cracks. So, yeah, what about this? Is this anything in this? Looked like there was already birds in there. Oh, so we have another one. Man, oh shoot, there's nests everywhere. Anything? Nope. Oh, there's nests everywhere. There's another one! Guys, they're everywhere. They're actually everywhere. Nothing in them. These are definitely my favorite areas to come into. Oh, my neck's a little bit hurting because there is, oh, there goes mom house finch. But maybe some babies or eggs. Try not to do what I did last time. Yep, looks like still some eggs. I'll get that down safely. I'm not trying to knock these nests. Oh my gosh. That dog scared me. Holy crap. I guess that dog saw me. Oh, what's that? What is that? What is that? Oh, shoot. Oh, let me get away from that. Well, if you guys could not tell, I am pretty 100% sure that was not a baby. And that was a carpenter bee. Oh my gosh, he was just like digging down into there. I'm pretty sure that was a carpenter bee. That did not, I'll have to rewatch it. That did not look like. Oh, I hear some babies chirping. I swear I hear some babies chirping. Nope. Just 3 eggs. Probably maybe some babies. Nope, still eggs. Oh, we're looking for that robin. Robin. Ooh. I think I just saw a robin go under here to the low decks. But anyway, I saw so much happen. I think that was a robin just go under to the deck. But I saw this massive big dog. What looked a little weird. So I tried to get out of that area as fast as possible because you guys know that I've already gotten bit by a dog once. I don't know if you don't know, if you know or not, but anything in this? Anything? No. I've already gotten bit by a dog, and I thought it looked a little weird. But, and then I saw this bunny run right across from me. Hold up. I can't see. Is there anything? No, nothing. And then I saw a bunny literally run like 2 feet away from me, run right across me, and across me. In this one? No. And then like 3 things happened at the same time. That was a little insane. Like trying to figure out what just actually happened. Oh, it's like a nest fell down. Looks like an old one anyway. But so much just happened. I was looking at the dog, and then I was looking at the bunny, and then I saw a, what are those sparrows? Would only come here for the winter, not juncos, but I forget what you call them. can't quite remember them. All right, but we're out of the high and low deck. Nothing there. Oh, is there actually? There's a nest right here. Nothing quite yet. That looks like a fresh robin's nest. There was so much happening at that 1 second, which was insane. But yeah, that's what happened. Ooh, another house finch nest. There she goes quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I think there were 7 eggs for a second. Good amount of eggs. All right, guys, we're already coming to an end. Man, we just flew through these so fast. Oh, this is where they. Oh, hi, puppy. This is where they always get me. A nest where it's always clinched in. And I can never put the phone in. Yeah, and then the phone snaps and it gets stuck up there. Yeah, we're not gonna mess with that. We don't want that happening. Nothing in that one. That one looks pretty old. Looks pretty messed up. And that's the end of all the nesties. Man, guys, we went through these so fast. That's insane. Sorry, guys. I'm just looking at the pond I used to fish at, but the other neighbors, for some reason, won't let me. The last recent neighbors let me. Actually, wait, there's one more nest. Yeah, nothing. The last other recent neighbors let me fish there. But you know, some other people don't want us fishing there. But yeah. They said they wouldn't like me on their property, which is okay. I understand, and I got other ponds to fish at anyway, and they got bigger fish. So it doesn't even matter. That pond's got, like, they're all like fish, maybe like this, barely, like this big. I had to do that with the camera flipped upside down. But yeah, so that's it. And at the other one, there's ones like massive, maybe as big as this big, really big, like this long and this big. They're pretty big. It's a house sparrow. Is he making a nest? There is a nest, but it doesn't even look like he's done yet. So yeah. Alright, guys. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this bird daily adventure. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bird loving boy out.